creamy tuna pasta. Ingredients: onion, tomatoes, tuna flakes, pepper, margarine, sliced mushroom, evaporated milk, all-purpose cream, at syempre yung pasta, and salt to taste. With garnish ang parmesan cheese. Procedure: saute onion and tomato. Cook the pasta according to package direction. Add tuna, saute for a while. Add mushroom.